All right, everybody, quick video of this brand new 2023 MV Agusta Brutale 800RR. Huge thanks to Suresh for choosing us for his brand new MV Agusta. We're actually shipping this bike out to him today. But first, just a really quick walk around of the bike for him and for you guys, if you're curious about a 2023 or 24. So the 2024s are going to be identical in color and price and specs. I'll show you guys what comes with the bike in just a moment. This will be a short video. I will link a dashboard, a dash tutorial at the end of this video. So if you're curious about how to do everything on this dash, I will show you guys that in a separate video, so keep an eye out for that, or subscribe so you get notified. Full tank of gas, all set for the lucky new owner. Nice Rush here for sale. So here's what comes with a brand new 2023 MV Agusta Brutale. A special dedicated battery tender, battery charger, which connects directly to the bike. This is the GPS anti-theft tracking device. Instructions on how to connect that device are here. Suspension tools, and this box is really, really cool. Let me see if I could open it carefully. This is one of my favorite things. So here's a little note that basically says any imperfections to this box, to this coffer, is due to the hand craftsmanship of the box. Gorgeous packaging here. Here, let me carefully open this with both hands. Hang on. So in that black envelope is this letter, basically from everyone at the MV Agusta factory in Italy, basically thanking you, telling you a little story about some history, some of the MV Agusta Providence, and it's also an invitation to go visit the factory and all of their signatures. This is really a beautiful, beautiful touch. I'll be very careful with that. You get some stickers. You get your owner's manual, and in this metal case is like a USB memory stick that is also metal. Oops, metal. Let's remove the owner's manual. And below the owner's manual is a little card that invites you to check out the MV Agusta store. What else? What am I missing? Anything? I forgot a couple of things. It also comes with this very nice little document wallet, as I guess I'll call it, for your registration, insurance documents, etc., that I think would fit fine underneath the seat of the motorcycle. And also for Suresh, we're going to gift him an official MV Agusta shirt. I can't promise something like this to everyone, but if we have it, we're happy to do that for you guys. All you got to do is ask. Back to the bike. Huge thanks to Suresh. If anyone has any questions about the bike itself or what comes with it or accessories, or if you would like to purchase one yourself, we are here to answer any questions you might have, even if you don't buy from us. But more on this bike, check the linked videos at the end of this video, and thank you very, very much.